Which ink cartridge should you buy to replace on your HP DeskJet 2855E? Well, it's quite easy. Let me show you which one. So this is where the cartridges are currently located, and if the printer is turned on, they will both be presented to you. To remove them, put your finger on them and you'll be able to remove. So the color ink cartridge that is compatible with this printer is the HP 67 or 67 XL. The XL is simply because the ink cartridge will contain more ink. It will cost you more, but it will last longer. And for the black ink, you also have the HP 67, but now there's also the 67 XL and the XXL version as well. So I'll put links in the description towards Amazon in case you want to get the ink cartridges from there. Usually it's cheaper than in stores, and you also support my channel this way since I get a very small commission, but it helps my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. To put them back, well, simply have to push them with your thumb this way. Over here too, always put the color one on the left side, close everything, and you will be good to go. See you.